Today, I am imprinting the eternal love of our divine source to the heart of humanity. I am sharing all of my healing writings for the service of one and all. I am sharing the healing light and vibration to the heart of humanity through my voice, the sound of a siren. I am an awakened twin flame healer, and I received the octave activation at the time I am with my twin flame divine complement. I have received again the octave activation. This is a sound wave that sang the song of my soul, which led me to embrace my soul song, divinity, and higher self. This also pushed me to start expanding the vision and mission of steering back lost souls to the pure path, reaching out to all precious hearts, for it is the eternal now to embrace our spiritual prosperity. I am a Blu-ray Twin Flame Energy Healer. I am Sophie DivineFeminine. I am radiating the healing of the rainbow light through healing wisdom writings, fragile and genuine ice healing, and the healing of all genuine hearts. I am here now as your guide and guardian in this divine path. I am holding your hand as we traverse the rainbow light. I am expanding the vision and mission through the ocean healing. Touch the healing waters now, for there I shared my eternal love to one and all. The sound of a siren is the birthing of the new, the ocean healing. This is the unconscious healing of all of humanity. Listen to the sound of a siren for the sacred activation of the sacred codes and keys in your being. Listen to the healing vibration of a Blu-ray Twin Flame Energy Healer, for I am activating your soul truth and angelic soul song within. And I am radiating the healing power of the violet flames to the heart of humanity as we traverse the rainbow light hand in hand. With love eternal, Sophie DivineFeminine, I am the sound of a siren.